guys, what's up? This is Niveditha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all on how to do your eyebrows at home. Most of you all have noticed and even got back to me asking how I kept my eyebrows in shape during this lockdown period. And now, even though some of the parlors are open, it is not very much safe to just go and get your eyebrows done considering the given situations. I can tell you all, one of the things I learned during this lockdown is on how to get my eyebrows done all alone at home. In this video, I thought I'll share that with you. So yeah, now let's start. So we are going to be using this product you see here. This is actually an eyebrow razor. You can see it has a very small blade. So this is what we are going to be using here. And all these years we have been hearing it from people telling that it is not good to shave your face or just use a razor on your face or for your eyebrows and all of it. But trust me guys, it's all just a myth. Even I was someone who actually believed all of it, and I used to see a lot of videos where a lot of beauty vloggers and influencers used to use a razor on their face, and I used to be quite unsure about it. And during this lockdown, I literally didn't want my eyebrows looking so bad. So that is when I actually thought, let me give this a shot, let me see if this if it actually works. And anyways, it's always good to learn something new. So that is how I actually tried this for the first time. And believe me, I think I even made up my mind, telling that even after all the problems are solved and even after it's safe to go outside and get all of this done, I am just going to do this myself, because considering the pain you have to go through while threading, this is going to be a savior. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so for this we just need 3 items. This is what you first need. Actually, the best brand for this eyebrow razor is something called Tinkle. You can order it on Amazon, or you can also order it on Nykaa. It actually comes in a pack of 3, or you can either use an eyebrow pencil, or you can even use a normal kajal. And the third thing is scissor. Alright, there are 2 ways in which you can do this. The first one is you just need to wash your face and do not tap it dry. Just leave the place around your eyebrows still wet, so that the razor just glides on. The second one is you can use any oil, like the one here. I'm just using this herbal Kumkumadi face oil. This is actually a face oil. I am using the face oil because my skin type is dry. So there are chances that if I don't use this, it might actually leave small scars on my face. So I don't want that to happen. So if you are also someone who has dry skin, then I recommend you to use any kind of oil. So I'm just going to take a little amount of oil, and I'm just going to apply around the area where I have these excess growth. I'm actually looking here because I have a mirror here, because I don't want to mess it up. And once that is done, take an eyebrow pencil or a kajal, whichever you have, and just draw an outline. Okay, because you would know what is the exact shape you want. Thick line, it's like a border. It might look odd because you're drawing a very thick line, but doesn't matter, because we just want our eyebrow shape to come out well. So yeah, here you can see I have just bordered my eyebrows. Yes, I've done it dark because you don't want to mess it up. You just want the line to be very clear. One thing you need to keep in mind before using the razor is you need to hold it in an angle. Okay, you can't hold it like this. Do not press this on your skin. Very light-handedly, just move it smoothly. Slowly just glide it down until that line you have drawn as border. I don't know if you can see, but you need to be very careful, because you don't want to mess this up, right? Especially if you are trying out this for the first time, then please be careful, because I don't want anyone telling that you messed it up. And again, repeat the process. Okay, so like I mentioned, just pull your eyelids this way so that your skin is just, stretched. Just do it. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see, I'm done with the upper part of it. You can see the difference between this eyebrow and this one. This actually looks more in shape, right? Now move on to the lower part. So for this, you actually literally need to pull down your eyelid, and then like I mentioned before, just very light-handedly move the razor. I'm just going to wipe off the excess kajal or eyebrow product I have, so that you can see the shape very clearly. So now you will actually have this longer hairs right at this point here. So you just need to cut it off using a small scissor. You just need to brush your hair upward. So here you can see the small lengthy hair, right? So we just need to cut all of it. So very carefully I'm just taking this scissor and I'm just chopping off the long hair. The same thing for this side too. Now let's do our upper lips. Hold your tongue up like exactly the way you do your upper lips in a parlor. We are done with the upper lips too. So yeah, we are literally done with our eyebrows and our upper lips. So once you're done with that, you can just apply a moisturizer, or you can apply the same oil, so that it just calms your skin and your eyebrows, so that your skin just calms down and just soothes. So here I'll give you another trick or tip, whatever you want to call it. You can use castor oil on your eyelashes and on your eyebrows before you go to sleep. You can just apply it and leave it overnight. This literally helps in getting thick hair and promotes hair growth, and just makes your eyebrow and eyelashes look a little more dark and thickened. And also, if you have an empty mascara here like I do, you can just pour some amount of castor oil into it. Just mix it properly, and with the same wand I'm just going to apply it on my eyebrows like so. So yeah, that was about this video. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and I hope this was useful to most of them who have been struggling to tame their eyebrows during this lockdown period. And do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make some specific videos about skincare routine and all of it. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed, bye.